So guys, the Ogbono soup is ready. Come with your eba. That's the steam. Ooh. Wow. Hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel today. If today is the first time of seeing my face, my name is Uju. I live here in the UK. I make content on how to travel to the UK, food, lifestyle, cooking, and lots more. So I film content on things that happen around me, and you will like this. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my ogbono soup. So I show you like, subscribe. When you subscribe, you turn on notifications so you'll be the very first to watch my videos whenever I upload new videos. So don't watch and go by. So just ensure you like, you share this video to all those who love Ogbono soup. I bet you will love the recipe. You'll love the soup if you get to try it. Thank you guys. So guys, I'm actually cutting the okra. So I welcome you guys today to this edition of how I cook my ogbono with okra soup. So I'm gonna dice the okra like so. That's it. Then from here remove one. You can actually use the food processor, but I want my okra diced in this manner. Don't want it so tiny, and I don't also want it so large. So when dicing your okra, you're sure you remove this part, this, take it away. So this okra is called the lady finger. We have different kinds of okra species across Africa. So anyone lay your hand on, it's fine. We have some that can be so sticky. You know, those tiny ones can be so sticky. This one that has almost like this size, just this size, can be so sticky. Yeah, and the very large ones. So, okay. And the fire, I have the scotch bonnet pepper boiling. The reason why I'm boiling the pepper is just to remove the water in the pepper. Hello guys, yeah, I just prepped the ingredients I'm going to use. This is the palm oil. This is the quantity I'm going to use for the soup. This is the yellow pepper. This is dumbbell pepper. This is a scotch bonnet pepper, dumbbell pepper, dried catfish, bush mango. This is powdered bush mango. That's the ogbono. This is okra diced. This is crayfish, guys. This is spinach I'm using in place of pumpkin. This is the seasoning, the nut cubes, the salt. You're going to salt to taste, dried and powdered turmeric powder. Then this is okpe, the seasoning, the local Nigeria seasoning is called okpe locust beans. So I'm going to dissolve it in water. That's actually going to make the soup a little dark. So don't worry. This is the chicken, a whole large chicken we're going to use. So now I start, guys. So guys, I'm actually going to blend all the pepper mix. Then I included the okpe, the locust Like you can see it in the blender. That's it here. So change the water color. Just blended it now. So guys, I'm here in the pot. I'm gonna use the big size pots because I'm making a very large quantity of soup. So this is the seasoning and the turmeric there in the pot cooking. I used it to cook the chicken. So I'm gonna cover now. Then let it cook for a while. There's no water in the pot. I'm cooking the chicken without water. So stay on, guys. So guys, I now added crayfish. This is the crayfish. Now I'm going to give a very shallow blending just for like 30 seconds. So guys, I'm blending now. So just watch. I'm done. Like I'm done. So this is how the mix looks like. The reason why I gave it a very shallow blend is because I don't want the crayfish really mashed. Yes. So guys, hope you fly. Hey guys, that's the bush mango, the Ogbono seed. That's the ground Ogbono. Yeah, I poured it to the pot. I'm gonna fry it for a while, try to melt it down completely, just like this, under low heat. So you keep stirring and be very mindful of it not burning. So I was just stirring. At a point, I had to turn off the heat. So the bush mango contains oil. So once you're frying like this, you start seeing it coming out, start seeing the oil coming out. Yeah, the seed contains oil. Yeah. So just frying and melting it gently. Then, just as you can see, yeah, fry like so. Keep melting, using your spoon to melt it down, to melt down the lumps. I hope you've liked this video. I hope you will share it with your friends, your Nigerian friends, and those who love Ogbono soup. Yeah, so as you can see now, it's about ready. Yeah, at this point, the heat was turned off. So I introduced the oil, the palm oil, the same quantity I showed to you guys. That was what I used. You don't use too much oil, so the soup don't float in oil. Yeah, so just this quantity is enough for me. You all know the importance of palm oil, so I'm also going to fry this under low heat so the palm oil doesn't bleach, and so the nutrients in the palm oil remains with it, especially the vitamin A. So I'll fry it gently, saute it like this, just to melt the bush mango completely. When you don't melt the bush mango seed, the ground bush mango seed completely, and you are eating the soup, you get to see lumps. Yeah, and the taste of it is not always nice. So now I'm going to add water, not so much, just to make it a paste. Then I'll give you a quick stir it like so. At this point, I had turned on the heat, so I'm melting it like so. Stir it gently, gently. Yeah, see the way it's coming out. Yeah, so I just want to melt it completely before adding much water. Yeah, thereafter I added much water. So guys, I added like 2 cups of water. Then I stirred and I added the pepper, the crayfish, and the okpei mix together. I added it and I stirred gently. So remember, whenever you add crayfish to your stew or your soup, you always stir down to the bottom of the pot. So I stirred and allowed it to cook for a while. Guys, at this point, the aroma in my kitchen was just something else. The okporo is already in the soup. So I added the meat stock. Yes, because I got that quantity of meat stock because I added 1 cup of water to the chicken when I was actually boiling the chicken. Yeah, so I was just staring, and I also went down to the bottom of the pot to avoid. Guys, the aroma here in the kitchen is nose blinding. So it's time to add the okra. I add my okra. Just give a quick stir. Immediately as I add the okra, I add the leaf. So this is it. This is this is it. Oh, our soup is ready, guys. Our soup is ready. So, guys, the Ogbono soup is ready. Come with your eba. That's the steam. Ooh. Wow. Wow. This is the Ogbono soup. Chicken, dry catfish, okra, bush mango, that's called ogbono, okra, pepper, dombe pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, the yellow pepper, the seasoning, the ginger powder, the turmeric powder, the palm oil, and salt. Thank you guys. Ensure you subscribe, like, bye.